Today I thought I'd finally do a room tour of the dormitories at Kyoto Sangyo University International House. I've been staying here for the last 4 months. This room here is what you can expect to be living in if you're in the shared living situation. They have 2 different options here. One is the shared room, where you are obviously with someone else of the same sex as you, and then they also have the single room, which is double the price. It's actually the exact same room with both beds and everything, but you just get it to yourself. So let's take a look at the room.